The last example that we're going to look at under common logs is the change of base formula. And what the change of base formula allows me to do is solve problems that look like this: log base 3 of 20, in terms of they want us to express it in common logs and then round to the nearest 10,000th. So I'm going to show you essentially what the answer is right away. But if you don't remember the formula to do this, you should be able to solve it using regular equations like we've done in the past. And basically, the change of base formula looks like this. Sometimes can get a little bit confusing. Log base a of n. A is anything but 10. And then it comes over to log base b. B is now going to be your common log 10 of n over log base 10 of whatever a is. So if I go over here, it's going to come out to log of 20 over log of 3. And you can take that and you can plug it into your calculator. But some of you might say, man, I can't remember which one goes on top. And this is really where it comes from. So I'm going to use the same numbers. That way it makes it a little bit easier. We want to say, let's solve for log base 3 of 20. And we may not know what it actually is, but we do know it's equal to some value x. And from here we know, oh, I can change that to exponential. So let's go 3 to the x equals 20. And then we may say, well, can I get 20 in terms of a base of 3? The answer is no, but we do know that logarithms solve for exponents, so we can take and let's use a log on each side. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Now I'm expressed in common logs. Log of 3 to the x equals log of 20. And my property allows me to take my exponent, put it in front. So x log of 3 now equals log of 20. We can solve for x by dividing both sides by log of 3, getting us x equaling log of 20 over log of 3. And that's essentially where the change of base formula comes from. It is from all of these steps. And then they want you to actually plug it. So this is your expression, log of 20 over log of 3. When it says express in terms of common logs, that's at the first answer of it. Rounding it is obviously just plugging it into your calculator, and it comes out to 2.7268. Remember, don't forget to close off 20 as you plug it into your calculator. Then it will give you this answer that you want at the end.